In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Google Meet Premium. If you use Meet for long discussions, workshops, or interviews, the premium features are a big upgrade. For personal Google accounts, those upgrades come with the Google One Premium plan at 2 terabytes or higher. That unlocks things like longer calls, recording, and other enhancements without needing a separate business subscription. First, check your eligibility. Make sure the Google account you use for Meet is the same one that holds your Google One membership. Open the Google One app or website, sign in, and look at your plan details. If you already have 2 terabytes or more, you're set. If you're using a work or school account managed by an organization, premium features may be controlled by an administrator, and the Google One approach may not apply. It's also worth noting that availability can vary by region and a device, so keep your account and apps up to date. Next, go to Google One, sign in, and upgrade to a premium plan if needed, or create a new membership. Choose at least the 2 terabyte tier, pick monthly or annual billing, add a valid payment method, and confirm your purchase. Take a moment to review the plan page so you know exactly what's included. After checkout, you'll see your storage and benefits updated on the Google One home screen. If you switched accounts during this step, remember which account you upgraded because that's the one you'll need in Meet. Once your subscription is active, refresh your Google Meet or Calendar tab to activate the premium benefits. If you had Meet open earlier, close and reopen the tab, or sign out and back into the upgraded account. Create a new meeting or open a calendar event and look for features like longer meeting durations, often up to 24 hours, and the ability to record. Recording typically appears in the meeting controls and saves to your drive after processing. If you don't see the options right away, give it a few minutes, refresh again, or check that you're signed into the correct account on all tabs and devices. On mobile, update the Google Meet app and repeat the sign and refresh. That's it. By confirming eligibility, upgrading through Google One, and refreshing Meet, you'll have the premium tools you need for smoother, longer, and more professional calls. Enjoy the extra time, reliable recordings, and fewer interruptions as you host your next session.